The number line goes from 0 to 10 to the 7th power and is divided into 10 equal intervals. All right. Which point represents 62 times 10 to the 5th? Pause this video, have a go at that. All right, so let's see what's going on here. This is 1 times 10 to the 6th, 2 times 10 to the 6th, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times 10 to the 6th, which is, of course, 10 to the 7th. Now, they're not telling us something times 10 to the 6th. They're telling us something times 10 to the 5th. But maybe we could write it in terms of 10 to the 6th. What we could do is, if we multiply this times 10, in order to not change the value of this entire expression, of the entire number, we could also divide this by 10. And so this number right over here is the same thing as if we divide 62 by 10, that's 6.2, times 10 to the, if we multiply that by 10, that's times 10 to the 6th. Notice these are the exact same numbers right over here. So what's 6.2, I should say, times 10 to the 6th? Well, it's going to be a little bit more than 6 times 10 to the 6th. So this is 1 times 10 to the 6th. Actually, you got 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 times 10 to the 6th. Let me write that. This right over here is 6 times 10 to the 6th. And so a fifth of the way, 0.2 of the way, or I'll say a fifth of the way between 6 times 10 to the 6th and 7 times 10 to the 6th, that looks like point C right over there. So that point best represents 62 times 10 to the 5th.